MIROR Technology is comprised of 5 main components: a receiver 2-coil pad, the mirror body, an origamically condensed artificial surgical environment, a 3-dimensional sonogram scanner, and a set of medical magnetic couplings. Once inside the uterus via the vagina, MIROR proceeds to the amniotic sac where it erects the initial entrance vessel. After establishing a waterproof seal, MIROR penetrates and enters the amniotic sac. MIROR's 3D sonogram device scans the face and palate, comparing the image with a previously recorded default facial mesh. MIROR identifies discrepancies between the images. If a cleft is identified, an origamically condensed, watertight surgical environment is deployed around the cleft. Medical magnetic couplings pull 2 sides of the cleft into close proximity. MIROR then closes and repairs the developing cleft using medical staples. By repairing the cleft early in the 3rd trimester of pregnancy, MIROR Technology effectively eliminates not only the defect, but any future cost or need for future operations or rehabilitation.